Adding UltraSync to an Apple or Android device starts at the App Store. On Apple devices, go to the App Store by selecting the App Store icon. On Android devices, select the Google Play icon. Select Search and then type UltraSync Plus in the search bar. Now download the app. When the download is completed, select the UltraSync icon to open the app. An end-user license agreement will appear. After reviewing and accepting the agreement, you're now ready to add your UltraSync system to a site. Select the Add or Plus icon. Enter a site name and description. Then enter the serial number and 8-digit passcode that was provided by your security and smart home service professional. Next, enter a username that was previously programmed into the system. Note that the username is case-sensitive and must be entered exactly as it was programmed. Finally, enter the PIN that was previously programmed into the system for this user account. Selecting Done will save and finalize the creation of the site. The UltraSync app allows you to manage multiple sites, such as your home, your office, and your vacation properties. Customizing additional site settings is covered in the Site Information Customization video.
Remember, we offer nationwide UL monitoring services starting at $10 per month with no contracts, no activation fees, and your rates will never go up. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below or call us at 877-364-0918. You can also visit us online at advancedsecurityllc.com or check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.